Hi, Doily Designs Kathleen here today to talk about the magic leaves. So we're going to make these for our magic flower pencil topper, and we'll begin it the same way as our magic flower and do a magic ring. And then we're going to chain 4, and you're going to slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the third chain, and double crochet in the fourth chain. Then we'll just slip stitch back in our magic ring and repeat those steps. Chain 4, slip stitch, single crochet, and double crochet. Slip. I like to make 6 petals. I find that fits nicely around a pencil or a pen. Once you have 6, you can fasten that off. And then we'll just take our pencil base, and it's good to put these on a pencil when you're attaching them. That way you don't close your magic ring too small. Untwist your tails. And then put your magic leaves on your top. Cinch it down. And then add your magic flower. You could also do a chain 5. And that's the magic leaves for the magic flower pencil topper. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. If so, you can find more on Kathleen's Doily Designs YouTube channel. Thank you. Welcome back. We're going to do the large magic leaf for the pencil topper. So you'll begin with the magic ring. We'll chain 5. You're going to slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet, and then double crochet. And slip stitch back in your magic ring. And chain 5. And slip stitch, single crochet. And if you wanted these fuller than this, you could do here, you could do a double crochet and then a half treble. Now that's just going to give you a fuller bottom and less leaves. You're going to want less leaves if you do the fuller bottom. And if you do the skinnier bottom, maybe more leaves. So those are your 2 options for the longer magic leaf pencil topper. So I'm going to just vary mine here and finish this one up. So I did a skinny one, and I'm going to do a fat one. or a wider one. 3. And I'll do a double crochet and a half treble. And another skinny one. Oops. And then I'll slip stitch back and I'll do one more with the wider one. With a double crochet and a half treble in that last space. I'll fasten off here with 6. And then we just take our magic flower pencil topper and we put our magic leaves on there and untwist your tail and then cinch your magic ring down around your top. And you can add your magic flower. I do recommend you do this on a pencil so it doesn't get too small. And then cinch all those down and you have your magic leaves for your magic flower pencil topper. Hope you enjoyed this pattern. If so, please like and subscribe. You can find more on Cathleen's Doily Designs YouTube channel. Thank you.